Welcome back to HMAdviser. If you've recently come across the legacy of 1776 clothing website and are wondering whether it's worth your money, this quick review is for you. At first glance, the website looks professional and features a wide range of patriotic-themed clothing, accessories, and fashion collections. The attractive designs and discounted prices may catch the attention of many online shoppers. However, before placing an order, it's important to look beyond the marketing. One thing that stands out is the website's relatively recent online presence. New websites aren't necessarily a problem, but when a store is very new, there is often less information available to help customers evaluate its reliability. Another factor to consider is customer feedback. At the moment, there appears to be limited independent review data available. When there aren't many verified customer experiences online, it becomes harder to judge product quality, shipping performance, and customer service. It's also a good idea to review important details such as contact information, return policies, payment methods, and social media activity. Trusted online stores typically provide clear information and maintain consistent communication with customers. So, should you shop from legacy of 1776 clothing? Based on the limited online history and the lack of extensive customer feedback, it's wise to do additional research before making a purchase. Taking a few extra minutes to verify information can help you make a more informed decision. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more website reviews, online shopping tips, and digital trust checks. Thanks for watching HMAdviser, and we'll see you in the next video.